Pan American Health Organization, World Health Organization, has once again contributed to Guyana's COVID-19 response with the donation of testing kits and personal protective equipment, among other essential items for healthcare workers and patients.
The items donated include examination stethoscopes, oxygen concentrators, face masks, face shields, goggles, and gowns for frontline workers in the health sector. The items were received at an opportune time, according to Minister of Health, Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony.
We are extremely grateful for this donation from PAHO. But also in the donation, as Dr. Adikro explained, it is not just PPEs. It is also the types of equipment that we need to work with our patients. Because if we don't have the right type of equipment, then we are putting patients' safety at risk.
PAHO WHO representative Dr. William Adukro revealed that another donation is expected to be made shortly.
These are 4 different donations that have come in. But that said, I just want to also put in another point that next week we are going to receive some more items, one of which I am very proud. Well, I'm proud of all of them, but one is the assisted breathing device, the ventilators, because it's my understanding that GPAC is short of the ventilators, the ones that work.
Meanwhile, Guyana is expected to receive a donation of 30,000 testing kits to facilitate countrywide mass testing. For InfoHub, Delicia Haynes.